Hello friends, we all know that our respected Prime Minister Narinder Modi ji has learnt a lot from developed countries by paying more often visits to them. For example, cleanliness and digitalization, and he has brought good results, and India has improved a lot in both these areas. My dear friends, apart from these two things, we should also learn from the developed countries that there nobody dies with starvation, unlike India. India has so many poor people who can't even take one meal per day. My dear friends, in developed countries, the poor people, they get food slips from the government, and in our country there is no such provision. Secondly, the senior citizens over there, they are not bothered about their earning. They get social security, some amount of money they get from the government if they are unable to earn. Thirdly, no animal also left unattended over there, unlike our country. In India, on roads we get to see so many stray dogs and cows, buffaloes, and so many other animals we see. They are just wandering on the roads unattended, and they cause a great problem. So in developed countries, no animal you would find on roads. So my dear friends, let's request our respected Prime Minister Modi ji and our government to also take these steps into consideration and bring India more prosperity. Thank you. Bye-bye.